Hi, wanna know how to perform a factory reset on your Xiaomi Redmi Buds 5? So, as a first step, we would need to place both of the earbuds inside the case. Then we would need to find the side button which is located on the right edge of the case. Here is it how the button looks. And as a next step, we would need to hold that button until you'll see this indicator firstly blink, slowly, then fast, and then slow again. When it's slow for the second time, we can release the button. This will take about 10 seconds, so you would need to be a little patient. Now let's do it. I'll start holding the button and wait for the indicator lighting. Currently you can see that it's blinking slowly. Now it's blinking fast. And now it's blinking slowly again. We can release our finger and the factory reset has been successful. You would need to reconnect your earbuds to your phone if you would like to use them again. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.